HEC and India AI was having a collaboration. So actually it's a part of India and France government collaboration where 10 of the startups from India were invited for the France ecosystem, right? But they started it doing through the a program called Station F Incubation Program. So Station F has various incubators. There's a HEC, there is NVIDIA, there's Microsoft, Meta, everyone has an incubation center there. HEC Paris is one of the incubator and also very known in the Europe. They are one of the top ones. So what happened? They released an application for everyone where people can participate. So we as a startup participated because we also had this thing aspiration for global market. And Europe is of course one of the places where every startup want to be there. So we participated into that and then we got the chance. Of course, there are various rounds of filtering happened, various type of application happened, interviews happened, right? So finally they selected 10 of the startups. We are among one of the startups which is being the part of it. And after that, of course, this whole thing's got started.
It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine.
And so this is the history. So this is what happened, how we be the part of the Station F. So Station F is actually an ecosystem where you have multiple incubators. HEC is one of them. HEC started this program. We selected 10 of the startups from India and brought it to here. India AI work as a facilitator for those applications, bringing those startups to the HEC. But final decision making was from the SEC Paris. We selected 10 of the startups. We are incubated for 3 months. And of course, that 3 months is more like base camp, right? Where you can, of course, identify your market, you find out the partners, you find out co-creators and all, right? So that is what we are doing here.
So, what was the role or experience in Paris and this Power Tech 2025?
Paris is a wonderful place. When I say wonderful place, means we also want to do a lot of stuff in terms of European expansion. And France and Germany, two of the market, are the one who drives the whole this thing, right? So, of course, this is something which is, I believe, Paris is always a good incubation center and a starting point for any of the company who want to start in Europe. So, and second, of course, if you somehow get successful in France or Germany, that become, proof that you are capable of going global. Because this market is really tough and very much value driven, and value proposition has to be strong. And if you win this market, of course, no one can stop you. So, it is always good to enter from the very hard market because then everything is easier for you. You learn a lot of things here.
And there's a lot of value proposition in European market.
Exactly. If you target the Paris, you understand what Paris wants, so what Europe wants. So it's just like that. GDPR and everything is quite strong here.
And can you please introduce about your Jarvis company?
So Jarvis is our product. Our company name is StackU. So we call it Jarvis by StackU. Jarvis is our product which works on existing cameras. So we say everyone has a camera, whether you are a retail store, manufacturing, government, we all have plugged camera everywhere. And all these cameras are dumb devices, doing nothing. You have to put a human beside it to watch what is happening. Right? So our idea is to basically, you don't buy any hardware, any software, anything. You have to just buy Jarvis, plug your camera with that and start using it for different kind of analysis. So whether it's a retail analysis, which is more about generating insight from the retail store, which is important to compete with the e-commerce because everyone is fighting with the emergence of the world, right? So that is where you generate different kind of insights, whether it's a footfall, whether it's a planogram, whether it's a heat map, engagement analysis, queue analysis, operational analysis, everything. The second module is more about the manufacturing security and safety, accident detection, safety jacket detection, safety helmets detection, number plates, vehicles unloading time, all those stuff, just with the camera which are already there, no new camera or anything. Whatever camera you have, it can be used and it can be used to analyze, of course, all these stuff. And third is the government related stuff with smart city, safe city. They have the camera, they want to know there's a cloud density increasing, so there may be a chance of any mishap, right? Violence detection in front of the camera. And all these things are happening without any hardware purchase. We believe we already have a lot of hardwares.
Yes.
We are just making them smarter.
You're just using your software and connecting it to the server and your camera. That's it.
You are having just a camera, plug it to internet, copy the IP address, put it on Jarvis, start using it. That's it.
That's a really good idea, and thank you so much.
Thank you for your time and thank you for coming here. All the best for your blogs and YouTube channel.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.